Hi guys, it's OdA here and welcome back to another video. So today's video is a little bit different than normal as I'm out on the kayak today. This is the first time trying out the kayak and it's a super exciting day. So I'm out here, in case you're wondering, at Mudeford Quay. There's just a bit of lake here before you get onto the actual sea here, and it's brilliant. There's a lot of other paddle boarders. There's somewhere called Shore Sports here, so if you want to hire a craft, a canoe or a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard, you can. But yeah, there's plenty of boats moored here and stuff, but yeah, it's great fun. I'll just show you around the craft a bit. So here's the kayak. As you can tell, it's a double-seater. That's the first seat. This is the second that I'm sitting in. Now, a quick tip for me using this is I'm kneeling instead of sitting. It's really hard sitting, but kneeling I'm higher up and it's easier. So I've got obviously my throw rope here. I've lashed that in to the point so that it doesn't come out, nice and safe. I've got my canoe pedal, double-ended pedal, and then obviously I'm filming on my GoPro here. And then I've just got lashed in on one of my lashings that I made. See my Instagram for more details, or Facebook or whatever. I've got my selfie stick for my GoPro so that I can get tons of different shots, hopefully. So yeah, that's what I've got there. I've got it all lashed in, so if we capsize, it's fine. And then in terms of what I'm wearing, I've got my buoyancy aid, and then I've got a GoPro mount connected, and I've got it lashed in with a carabiner so that if it falls out, I won't lose my GoPro. So my sister has jumped in the kayak now. Turn around. Hello. A YouTube channel, Amelia Madness. Check her out. She's doing a vlog of this trip, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, how are you enjoying it, Amelia? Okay, so we've just been paddling around this little, it's kind of like a lake area here at Mudeford, and it's really fun. The canoe's really good. It's not as sturdy when I'm on my own compared to when I'm with my dad or sister or whatever, but it's great fun. I personally prefer being at the back, especially paddling alone, as I have things like my throw rope and stuff accessible, and I just prefer it. But yeah, it's great fun. And I'm hoping to try out a few more camera setups for filming in here. Currently I'm using my GoPro, but I want to try setting up a tripod and things. But yeah, it's just great fun, and it's great just to chillax in here. Just doing a bit of swimming now. My buoyancy aid's keeping me afloat, which is great. It's not actually that cold in my wetsuit. back to shore. We've spent a couple hours out here and it's been great fun just swimming. We're mainly taking out the kayak and I think the kayak's great, but now it's time to get back, deflate it and get back home and hopefully get this video up for you guys. So thanks for watching. Sorry if it's a slightly different one. I was just getting used to the camera, well, to the kayak and filming in the kayak and all that. So thanks for watching and I hope to see you in another video. Bye.